James has dementia, and as his main carer, his wife Jenny does pretty much everything for him.
James, I thought we'd just pop this on if we're going to go out later. Is that all right?
Their children live in different parts of the country, so while they help out when they can, the responsibility lies mainly with Jenny.
Families are more fragmented. We no longer have a nuclear family and an extended family in the place where you were born and brought up.
Do you worry about who's going to do this for you?
Of course I do, because my family aren't living nearby and I don't know how I would cope, and I don't think they particularly want me to go and live with them.
And she's not alone, according to a new report by the Institute for Public Policy Research. The report found that around 1.2 million people over the age of 65 don't have a child able to care for them if needed. That number is expected to rise to around 2 million people by 2030 because of a drop in fertility rates and an increase in the number of older people. But as men live longer, more couples are able to support each other. Care provided by partners is expected to increase by 90% over the next 15 years.
You want to sit there like you do at breakfast?
And the alternative is an expensive one. An elderly person spends an average of £25,000 for care at home and £36,000 for a nursing home care package. So what needs to be done?
Well, we think that the UK should plan ahead like other countries are, like Germany and Japan, and invest in community support that can provide the sort of everyday care that older people need, and give them the social contact as well. Also, probably we'll need to see more investment in the NHS and social care.
The government say they're investing £3.8 billion in helping older people to live more independently and in providing support for carers. Right now, though, for James, his main support is coming from Jenny.
She just is fantastic. Without her, I wouldn't be here. That's for certain.
How do you feel about everything she does for you?
I can't tell you, because it's so much.
But Jenny wouldn't have it any other way.
It's what I promised when I married him, and I love him. I wouldn't want to do anything else. I think that's the least he deserves, is to stay here and be with me and have the quality of life that I can give him.
Whatever the future holds, Jenny and James are facing it in the best way possible, together. Ruth Liptrot, 5 News.